Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing Biweekly Contest 106. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problems, today's contest, everything in between. This is my live recording. Right now I'm in Tashkent here in Uzbekistan. So hopefully everything will still be okay. I don't have my usual, I'm gesturing right now on the camera, my pencil and paper, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, if you want an explanation for the prompts, they'll be in its own video, so definitely check those out. But definitely here you get to see me doing things live during the contest. You know, haven't seen the prompt before. Not a someone who has knowledge of the prompts like some people. But yeah, let's go. We have 3, 2, 1, go. My internet's a little bit slow too, so we'll see. Yeah. Loading. Also not using a mouse, so hopefully that'll be not too punishing. Loading is kind of tough though. Alright, there we go. It's fascinating. Is that easy? Okay. I see. What am I doing? This is terrible. This is very slow, easy for me. Also very possibly wrong because the way I'm doing it is pretty silly. Okay. Nose. Oh, jeez. Still not confident about it. So easy to make a mistake. Why don't I just write 4 loops? Okay, yeah. Okay, fine. I think I'm confident. Come on, please. I was very actually scared about that one, to be honest. All right. This may be off by 1, to be honest. Didn't really think about it. Not good enough to think about these things. Let's think through a little bit first though. Okay. That one could have also been easily wrong, honestly. Very easy to make mistakes. Mod. Typing very slowly today, but okay. Sum of what? What is T again? What's S and what's T? T is the command. What is S? S is the string. Okay. And nums is okay. So oh, I cannot type today. So it's going left. And then, okay. This part I feel like people are actually very good at, but I'm not that good at the total part. This doesn't matter. Okay, so that's the current one. Delta times I. Okay, so let's say 11%. No, we add. Yeah. Someone liked this, but maybe it's not quite right. Yeah, it's not quite right. Let's double check this for a sec. Actually, very fortunate to have a wrong answer here, but because that means that we get to check. The logic is right, but I'm off by 1. I think the top people already have this done for that reason. I know how to do this. It's just I'm slow for that reason. 6, especially since I don't even have a mouse and my debugging is slow. Okay, so that's 6. That's 2 plus 4 is 6. So then 2. So then this should. So 2, so this is minus 2, which is true. minus 2 and then plus 2, right? No, it's 2. No, this is 2, 4, so it should be 4. What am I doing wrong? Is this just plus 1? Oh, minus 1 rather. I don't want to. I should be better at proving this stuff. So I don't want to just off by 1 and hoping that it is right. 2 and then 4 is 6. Okay, and I think this is it, except for I have to divide by 2 because. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, that's tough. Because I do the mod here. What is answer again? 2 times 10 to 9. I guess it's just 10 times square, so I think this is fine. But it is tough to prove. I mean, it's not that tough. It's just that it's tough to do it in like 20 seconds or whatever. Say. Okay, how am I doing? 17 people got it wrong already, so let's take a look at the standings real quick. And it doesn't really say. So 256. I don't know. Maybe that's good. Maybe that's bad. All right. We have a matrix. Sum of each column of the subset is at most half of the what? I think this is just tough to read in general. Okay. Sum of each column of the subset is at most half of the length of the subset. Let's take a look at the n first. 10 to the 4. N is 5. Is 5 the number of row or columns? Number of rows m, number of column is 5. Okay, that's something to interest about. That should be doable, but okay. So this is that's the column, right? That's why I wish they use R and C. It's so confusing sometimes. Okay. Right, and then sum of each column. The length of the chosen subset of rows is k. Length is such a really weird. It's by the way, friends, there's no length in a subset or a set in general. Technically, it's the cardinal, but you should use like things like count because it's more precise. Length is not quite it's not quite formal, if you will. But that's not the point, I suppose. I mean, there's supposed 5 columns when we just dash on that, right? So there's just 3 to the 5th or something like this. 3 to the 5th times n or something like that, right? 3 to the 5th times n, 10 to the 4th. What's 3 to the 5th? 3 to the 5th is 243 times. This is one of those things that Python is going to be sad on, maybe, possibly. And I'm like thinking about it. But oh wait, is that true? Maybe I'm confusing it. So there are 3 columns. Length of the subset. Oh wait, no, that's maybe wrong. Okay, because I was thinking about the length of the columns. Like I said, the length is such a weird thing to say for about sets. The sum of each column. Okay. Only 5 of these. should be able to abuse this, right? 3 people abused it. You choose 1. Then this is the half of it is 1, so okay. So then you want the delta. Oh, and you have to return the subset. Oh, you have to return any good subset, not the best or okay. So there's a construction problem, constructive problem. All right, that's a little bit different. I think of each one as delta maybe, but that's, can we sort? So okay, so if you add a thing, then you definitely need something else to balance it out. So at most 5, right? This is, stuff like this is never good to use. So basically we want, and the only ones anyway, but let's see. How am I thinking about this? Okay, what is the worst answer, right? In theory, the worst possible answer, let's say this, right? And then you do something like this, and then maybe something like this, but then you just do this, right? So is there, okay, so the only possible answer for 1 is just something like this, and then 2 is something that is complementary, right? Is there an answer for 3? Because by definition, for 3, is there an answer for 3? Let's say we have something like this. That doesn't make sense because you would just never use it, like we said. So basically, maybe something like this. So that's 2 still. Let's say we have this and then this. But then now we need something like 2, right? So then that doesn't even make sense. Is there a possible answer for 3? I don't know that I can prove. Because it's not like you need to do everything. Is there a possible answer for 3? 5 people got it. Let's just add another one just for fun. So But then now, by definition, we need something like this. Almost like this. So I don't think 3 exists. So let's YOLO this real quick. Return. Oh, whoops, that's actually incorrect. Oh, and also you don't need to minimize, Larry. So if this is the case, and then I sort it. Did I do the first one? Oh, this isn't quite right because it doesn't have to be matched. Right, what it needs is power set of this. But if that's in it, that's fine, but okay, let's say that that's not the case, then just do the power set. I forget how to write this. Something like something like this. I don't know if that's right. I can't find it. been too long since I've written it. Anyway, though, if is that not how to write it? Oh, jeez. Should have been done this already, but I'm just too new. I don't even know what this is. Is that right? Still not right though. Okay, so it's over 1 and 0. Subset of it. Should be good. Why not? Don't tell me why. Okay, so 1, it does 12. This should be 4 and 2, so 6, right? So 6. Oh, I'm an idiot, because I have to put syncron is equal to I. Wow, I've been debugging for so long because I forgot to put in the critical bit. I mean, I don't know if this is right, to be honest. But YOLO, I guess, because I can't prove it. So it's probably wrong now. So, but I also just forgot that much. That was a silly mistake. Silly mistake. That took so long to debug because I just didn't have this. Is that right? I don't even know. Actually, I had that initially, so that would have been wrong. But I was wondering. But I was also debugging for so long because I just wasn't seeing anything. And it's not. I'm not convinced this is necessary. Let's see. But I just kind of did it to be careful because it is Python afterward. Or so maybe I didn't need it. I don't know. Maybe I did need it, but. I could have also just cached the other thing, but I still need the same idea. Yeah, I mean, probably if I did it correctly, probably if I remember how to do this precisely, then I would have debugged the other part quicker. But I did forget how to do it, to be honest. And then it would have been maybe 5 minutes, and maybe I could have gotten top 10 or something, top 20 anyway. I don't know where I am, but top 50 seems pretty okay. 51st right now. Any shoutouts? Anyone around? There's me. Shout out to that good-looking fellow, Larry and NY. Where do you go? I was 15th at some point, but apparently I was a little bit too slow on the Q4, which I was. I mean, a lot of it was just proofing, and then I had some silly mistakes. Anyone else from my Discord gang? That's crazy though. I didn't think Q3 was that. Which one is Q3 again? Oh, robots. Yeah, that one's a little tricky. I was a little bit slow. I knew how to do it immediately, so I was slow in the implementation as a result. So it's not meant to be a humble brag. It's just that, like, 6 minutes for a problem that you already know how to do is kind of a little bit whatever. And yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll wait. I mean, I don't have any penalties, so I really wasn't sure about the 3-item thing. I couldn't really comment up. I don't know. There's no one from my Discord hanging out. Maybe it's the bi-weekly is a little bit whatever. I don't know when this is going to actually update with my actual ranking, but I assume we probably got Q1 pretty quickly. I mean, my one here. It took me a long time actually. 232. I mean, Q2 was slower or faster. Sorry. Oh yeah, I was just trying to be careful and not give myself a silly penalty. Do this. I mean, according to this page, I'm at 14th, but which is fine. But that doesn't include the Chinese, so it's like ×2 maybe. I was just really slow in Q4. This does include the Chinese, and I should be here, but I'm not. Somewhere like 30 something maybe. I thought I saw him up here. Oh wow, that's tough. Because he did Q4 really quickly, but then struggled with Q3. Which one is Q3 again? Oh, robots. Yeah, that's actually surprising, but that's tough. That's tough. I mean, you know, if everyone could be consistent all the time, then you know, it happens. All right. Well, really have not much more to say about this one. Let me know what you think. Again, I will. Oh, 77. That's yikes. Is that? I think it's just like a little bit slower on update. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. As I said, each video will have its own thing, so definitely check that out. Or each problem will have its own video, so definitely check that out. Yeah. Let me get one good page so that I could, you know, because I don't think I'm 77th, but it's also just like not updating. Maybe I'll just chill for a little bit. Let me get one good refresh so it doesn't look like, I feel like I'm higher than, like I should be like 30th or something, give or take, right? But 16 minutes is pretty tight. I mean, did I know how to go to Q4? I knew, I don't know that I knew how to do Q4, but I definitely had a silly mistake that took a while. I mean, I think the proof was the hardest part, and that took me a while. After that, implementation also took me the other half of the while, which it really shouldn't, to be honest. So that's a little bit sad. This seems like one of those problems where like every few minutes is a lot of ranks. Oh, so tired. Time to get some food and brutal. Alright, well, look. Doesn't seem like it's going to update anytime soon. I don't know where the 77th come from. Like, would I be 77 if I didn't finish? I guess so. No, I mean, I don't know. Maybe 77 if I didn't finish Q4 yet. So it probably still hasn't updated the Q4 being done, and because I have no penalties, it's not going to go down. And really, no one from my gang of Discord trying to give y'all shout outs, but just waiting for this number. Otherwise, like for a screenshot, it would just be like weird. And I get to rest my body a little bit, which is nice. But I'll just do it for like another 2 minutes of hangout. Yeah, I don't really have much to add about this one. I mean, we'll do the actual explanation, but I think, yeah, I mean, I think the hard part is just the proof. Might just give me one update upwards. I mean, I know that you should aggressively cache, but I feel like it shouldn't be that. I don't know how the system is set up. It shouldn't be that hard to, you know, surf and cache 20,000 numbers. This is not a million. This is not a big. Oops. Like if you're doing analysis, you wouldn't. Okay, there we go. Like you wouldn't consider this big data. You just consider this regular data. 30 seconds is fine, I guess. I probably could have done, like I said, like definitely wasted a couple of minutes just because, like as soon as I realized I wasn't caching, then it became trivial. And also it took me a while to Google the subset thing, which I don't know. I don't know if I need it, but 3 to the 5th instead of 2 to the 4 to the 5th. I don't know. But yeah. Everyone's doing the silly or submission trick. I have no respect, by the way. Like, I don't know. It is what it is, but that doesn't mean I have to respect you. Alright, well, this updated, I'm 30 seconds, so that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.